Our teams are burned out, worn out, maxed out, and they are walking out.
On a scale of 0 to 10, how stretched do you feel? The goal is to stretch far enough that you feel the stretch, but not so far that you snap.
Your daughter does indeed have a metabolic dysfunction. The best we can hope for is 2 years.
We're going to talk about what is stretching you, where are your disruptions, and how can you become more resilient through those disruptions. We're going to become rubber band resilient.
And the very first thing that you can do, you know what it is, right? Listening, right? People will leave more quickly when they don't feel heard.
It is okay to admit that you might be stressed, and it's okay to say, we're just going to breathe sometimes.
When we begin to really reach out to our teams and let them know you are important and the role that you play is important, you show up. Purpose is one of the ingredients that we all need when we show up at work if we want to have that joy-filled environment.
Her energy, her passion, and her ability to drive home key points about leadership was off the hook.
Now I'm here to tell you that Merritt Joy didn't live 2 years. She lived 20. And I do believe that part of what happened was her joy came through, because it came through me. So I invite you, flip the switch, power up your teams, and the rest of your organization will be full of that joyful energy.